What's up, YouTube? Back with another one. This is my 2007 GMC Yukon Denali XL. Just installed LED headlights and the Cadillac taillights. Try these out for you. Cadillac tail lights. And the LED headlights. Kind of hard to see it's got the halo on it. Let's see if I can get it in here. Turn the turn signals on. It's a real nice look on there. Brought it out a lot. Pretty easy to install. It's a plug and play setup. You just pop them in. I think like 3-4 screws and one plug. That's it on those. The front, they got I think it's like two, maybe 3 plugs. You have to plug up on the front and then there. See the headlights kind of make a little sequential movements. Definitely looks good. Alright, YouTube. Till the next time. I'm out.